Hey, Amba here, and today let's talk about straps and what we can do with them. So first, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe, and you can see easier for you to see the other videos that come out. So we are lying on our backs, and we take the strap in our hands, and we take first the right leg, and then we start lifting the right leg up, and wherever it's comfortable for you, because in yoga we always listen to our bodies, and when you feel that you are stretching, you can stay there, and we hold the pose. And with deep breathing, we try to relax more and more the tightness, and soon we might realize that we can take it a little bit further, but always listen to your body. We don't want injuries in yoga, so we do what we can. Also, with time, you realize that, hey, I can get further and further to this stretch. And if it's comfortable for you, try to hold it, maybe first time only 30 seconds, but adding to 1 minute. And from here, we go to the other leg. So I did the right leg first. And now we do the left leg. So you bring it up wherever it's comfortable for you. But you have to still get some more stretch, otherwise the strap doesn't do anything to you. But slowly and surely, you will see the progress. So this is one pose that we use the straps, and you can do, for example, 3 leg lifts and then go forward. And now we bring it back up. I have the right leg, and then I'll go and take this right leg to the right. And I can feel it in my inner thigh. And this is really good. The strap is really good if it's impossible for you to hold your leg with your hands. And with breathing again, let your body relax. And then you bring this leg up, and then we exhale it to the other side. And if you want more stretch, you're gonna look to your right hand. Breathe deeply. And we get the leg up and exhale down. And now the other leg, the left leg. Inhale it up and exhale it to the left side, looking to your right hand. And if you need to, you can push this right hip further down with your right hand. Feel the stretch, breathe to the stretch. And inhale the leg up and exhale it to the other side. Looking to your left hand. Inhaling up and exhale, leg down and up. Release the strap. So let's come up to sitting. Let's do a few forward bends. So we can even do it with one leg. Inhale, straighten your back, and then exhale, coming down, bending from your hip. And you can walk your hands closer. And remember to listen to your body. And inhale up, and again you can hold as long as it feels comfortable for you, because the longer the holding, the more we stretch. So left leg, inhale, elongate the spine, and exhale, hinging from the hips. And give your body time to relax, using the deep inhales, elongating, and on an exhalation, getting further down. And inhale back up. So we saw how to use it in leg lifts and how to use it in forward bends. Actually, we can do still the double forward bend so that we have both legs up here. Inhale, elongate, exhale down. Keeping your back straight, using your breath to get further down. And inhale back up, and exhale, release your hands. And then we can do also, put this back, and you can come to sit this way. And you can do this also if you have a chair. So you walk your hands one down, the other one up. And when you feel comfortable, inhale. And on an exhalation, hinging from the hips, feel how your hands are stretching. So you feel it on the hand that's further down. And inhale up, and then switch your hands. The one that was up goes down, and the one from down comes up. And walk your hands closer to each other. Inhale, elongate the spine, and exhale, come down. another stretch. And inhale up. I hope this was helpful. I will write some other benefits or other things that it's good and helpful with the strap. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Namaste. See you next time.